Hi, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your pronunciation lesson. If you watched last week, you learned how to say IGH. Today's question is, how do I say IGHT? Well, you just add a T. So, when you see the letters IGHT, you're going to pronounce two sounds. Yes, look at all those letters, but only two sounds. I and T. So to make the I sound, your mouth is going to be open. And when you do that, your tongue is going to be in the bottom of your mouth and the back of your tongue will be pulled up a little tiny bit. When you move your mouth from the I to this second position of the vowel, your tongue is going to be high and flat in your mouth. It is not going to be touching your teeth. I. And then you're going to end that with the T sound by touching the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth. Ite. Ite. We hear this combination in the words sight, tight, right, fight, might, light, and height. One more time. Sight, tight, right, fight, might, light, height. Give it a try. People will definitely notice the difference. If you found this helpful, give us a like and a share. Please subscribe. Leave your comments in the comments section below and visit us at tarlespeech.com for more information. Thank you. We'll see you next week.